In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Behance badge. If you've been wondering how to build credibility on Behance and make your profile stand out, there are 3 clear paths. Earn a featured badge through curation. Verify your profile via LinkedIn, or subscribe to Behance Pro for the Pro badge. I'll walk you through what each badge means, how to approach it, and what to keep in mind so your efforts pay off. Let's start with the featured badge. This one is awarded when the Behance curatorial team handpicks your project based on quality, creativity, and presentation. You can't apply for it directly, so your focus should be on crafting projects that are discoverable and worth featuring. Instead of uploading a single image, build a thoughtful case study, show your concept, process, and final outcomes in a clean, cohesive story. Use relevant categories and tags so your work surfaces where curators and viewers are looking. Make your cover image strong and representative, and keep your typography, spacing, and color consistent throughout. A clear description explaining your role and the problem you solved can help viewers appreciate the depth of your work. If you do get featured, you'll see the badge right on your project's cover image. Next is the verified badge through LinkedIn. This one is straightforward. Connect your LinkedIn account to your Behance profile to verify your professional background. It signals to clients and collaborators that here is a real person and career history behind the portfolio, which builds trust. Before you connect, make sure your LinkedIn details are up to date and aligned with your Behance profile, so everything feels consistent and credible once the verification appears. Finally, the Pro badge. This is a paid subscription feature. Head to behance.net/pro and choose the plan that fits your needs. To make the most of it, complete your profile fully, add a clear profile picture. Write a concise bio that highlights your specialty, and list your key skills. A complete profile not only meets the requirement, it also helps visitors immediately understand who you are and what you do, which can lead to more meaningful engagement. Across all 3 paths, the fundamentals are the same. Create high-quality, original projects. Use proper tags to help people find your work. And engage with the community by viewing, appreciating, and thoughtfully commenting on other projects. Consistency over time makes a difference. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.